In this video, I will discuss how to access and submit our coursework. We're starting on our Schoology webpage. If I scroll down to the bottom, I'm going to go into our week 3 folder. And I'm going to enter Monday folder. You'll see there's 2 discussions and an assignment to submit. The 2 discussions ask you to sign up for Onshape and then also install Vernier Graphical Analysis. Both of the discussions are basically there only for if you have difficulty doing either of those tasks. It's a place to report those difficulties. So if you look at the sign up for Onshape, it does say you need to log into Project Lead the Way. I have that done down here, so let me bring in Project Lead the Way. Here's our Project Lead the Way course. To find those 2 downloads, you go to Distance Learning Opportunities. We covered last week Career Quest, Ethics Quest, and Discovery Quest. So if we scroll down a little further, you'll see at the very bottom, it now goes to Distance Learning Activity 1.1 Simple Machines. If I click that link, it brings me down further into our now Simple Machine Investigations. It says check with your teacher about what you need to turn in and how to submit. That is what we're covering in this video. You'll see there's goals, the goals section, you can read through those. There's an introduction, you want to read through that as well. Each of these you can highlight, it gives you a definition. Scroll down a little further. Here you'll find resources. Here are the 2 things you're going to download for those 2 discussion boards. You're going to download the Onshape account creation. Well, actually it's not download, but you create that account. Then you're going to download and install the Vernier Graphical Analysis. These 2 items will be used later on, so you want to make sure you have those ready and available. You'll then see there's 2 more resources, the PowerPoint on Simple Machines, the lever, wheel, and axle and pulley, and then the PowerPoint for the incline plane, wedge, and screw. These will be referenced in our assignment, so you want to make sure you have access to those. And then we have the actual documents for Simple Machines. If we scroll down further, you'll see this beginning part. We've actually covered this, so we don't have to go over that. You'll have some more terms you want to recognize. Effort force, resistance force, again, click it, it gives you a definition. Plus it's right there beside it. So the first thing you'll be doing is number 1 here, complete machine investigations. The Simple Machine Investigation, and it's part 1. Number 1 says review slides 1 to 3 in the PowerPoint. You can click this link to open that PowerPoint. I'm not going to do that just yet because I want to go back to our Schoology page. Go back to our Schoology page on Monday. Down here at the bottom it says Simple Machine Notes. This, if we open it, it's telling you to view the slides 1 through 23 in the Simple Machines PowerPoint and use this document to take your notes. So when you open this, it's going to create your Google document that you'll then submit to me. This is where you want to put all of your notes. I can open it and show you what it looks like. So again, same directions right here. Underneath here then is where you're going to basically take your notes. Once you've viewed those 23 slides and taken the notes that you need, again, they're your notes. Yours will look different than somebody else's. Once you've taken those notes, though, you then will submit them to me. And again, that's right on the Schoology page. You'll submit those. And if we go back to our Project Lead the Way page, that would take you through number 1 right here. That's all you're doing on Monday. Okay. We then access Schoology again. Go back to the week. So that would take us through Monday. If we go to Tuesday, you're now going to view the document for First Class Lever. What it states there is you've already viewed that PowerPoint, slides 1 to 23. You're now working on the first part, which is First Class Lever examples 1 through 28. So when you open that, it again takes you to another Google Doc. That's where you'll put those numbers 1 through 28, and you'll submit this once you get that complete. I've also included a video here on the lever. Okay, so you can view that. Very interesting video for it. So that is where you're going to submit your work, though. It's going to be through the Google Docs. That's how we're going to maintain our notebook for Project Lead the Way. It's not going to be written down in an actual engineering notebook like we normally would do if we're in person in the classroom. It's going to be an electronic notebook. Hopefully this will help answer those questions. We go back, so that'll be, again, Monday you do that. Let me go to Project Lead the Way really fast just to show where you'll stop. So you go 1 through down here, we keep going. There's videos to view. The only information you're putting in the document is where you actually have answers. Like number 8 here would be an answer you would want to put in, but number 9, if you're watching the video, you don't have to write anything in your document for that. So we keep going down, and where this stops is at part 2, second class lever examples. This portion will be actually completed under Wednesday. So once you get to number 28, you are finished for Tuesday. You're going to submit that document. Okay, hopefully this helps. And hopefully this helps, and you're able to then find the information we need.